Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for Science Year 1, Unit 1, Everyday Materials, and this is video part 1 of 2. My name is Megan Latchford and I'm a Design Leader Art Curriculum Plus for Primary Science, History and Geography. This video will walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, and the unit sequence of learning. The resources available in Oxford Owl are the Science Progression Document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides for every lesson, the Pupil Workbook and the eBook Workbook, additional resources to go alongside some lessons, and the Pupil Knowledge Guide. To access the resources in Oxford Owl, you'll need to log in and click on Subscriptions. Select the year group and the subject, in this case Year 1 and 2 Science, and scroll down to view the available resources. You can then select the year group from the drop-down option and select the unit from the drop-down option. And from there, you can download the resources for each lesson. Here is an overview of the disciplinary and substantive concepts for the entire unit. You can pause the video here to read through them, but all these concepts can be found in the progression document and the unit planning guidance. The National Curriculum Framework for Early Years Foundation Stage gives 3 early learning goals for understanding the world. The goal below provides pupils with a strong foundation on which to build their science knowledge and skills. For future learning, the unit that we've highlighted as linking with this one is Year 2 Use of Materials and Year 3 Light and Shadows. For more detail on prior and future learning, have a look at the unit planning guidance and the progression document. This is a lesson sequence for this unit. There are 6 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson, and pupils should be able to answer it based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions. Every lesson also ends with 2 exit questions, which also allows teachers to judge the understanding of pupils before moving on to the next lesson. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the unit planning guidance to be aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the pupil workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a pupil workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide the answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.